Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. It's a nasty day here in Minnesota. Temperature isn't bad right now, it's 19. It's going to fall all day today down to 15 below. Winds are sustained at about 35 miles an hour, and they're gusting up to 50. So it is the perfect day to try a keto recipe and see how good or bad it turns out. So what we have here is radishes, and this is keto mashed radishes, I guess. They're supposed to try to help your fix for mashed potatoes, even though they say that these are not going to taste anything like potatoes. I can't imagine that these are going to be good, but we're going to try it. So I have a pot of water here. I'm supposed to add 1 or 2 teaspoons of Himalayan pink salt. And then we add our radishes in there. Now we're going to put this on the stove and we're going to bring it up to a boil and just slowly boil it for an hour or an hour and a half. Trying to get them soft so they can be mashed. We have Melissa's tea water heating up here. And since it's so cold and dry and windy outside, it's a perfect day to let something boil and get some humidity in the air. We'll let that boil for an hour and a half, and then we'll come back. Well, it's been about an hour and a half, a couple minutes over that. So now I'm adding in a 1/4 cup of butter, 4 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. It says to add salt to taste and to put in some red pepper flakes. I don't want it to be hot, so I'm just going to put a little salt in here. See how that starts out. We can add more if we need to. Let's see what this tastes like. You know what? It's really not that bad. You can't really taste the radish that much in it. Wow, I think that's better than I did it with cauliflower before. It wasn't that good. This isn't bad. I'm surprised. Take it out to Melissa and see if she likes it. I'll be right back. Well, Melissa said that she didn't mind it either, but she said it would probably be really good if you added some cheese to it. And cheese is also keto. It would also bind it a little bit more, and it would be like cheesy mashed potatoes or radishes or whatever. So I'm going to grate some cheese, probably just some cheddar, and throw it in there and see what that does. So you have to keep in mind also, I mean, radishes are okay, but I'm not a big lover of radishes, and I really don't taste a whole lot of radish in there at all. This one here surprised me. Most of the keto ones I try are not that good. So I would say what, I probably added 1/3 of a cup of cheddar cheese in here. Yeah, it's good. I don't know that it did kind of make it a little bit more creamy, so okay, everyone, well, thanks a lot for watching. I'd say that that one was a success. I'll see you guys on the next video. If we ever get a spring here, I think I'm going to plant some radishes in the garden.